Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and effective way to take attendance in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a teacher, team leader, or managing any virtual meeting, this guide will make sure you never miss a participant. Stick with me till the end and you'll master attendance in just a few clicks. Access Microsoft Teams. First, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Sign in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy so you can get started without any delays. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move to the next step. Initiate your meeting. Next, locate the video icon, it looks like a camera, and click it to start your meeting. Before diving in, check your camera and microphone settings to ensure everything is working perfectly. Once you're set, click Start Meeting to officially begin your session. This ensures your attendees can join and you can track their presence from the very beginning. Manage participants and take attendance. Now, here's the important part, taking attendance. During your meeting, click the People icon on your screen. This opens a panel showing all the participants who have joined. From here, you have two options. Manual attendance. Simply write down the names of attendees as they appear. Digital tools. For larger meetings, you can use Microsoft Teams built-in reports or third-party plugins to automatically track attendance. This saves time and ensures accuracy. Remember, keeping an eye on the participants panel throughout the session helps you spot latecomers or people who might leave early. And that's it. Taking attendance in Microsoft Teams is that simple. By following these steps, you can ensure your virtual meetings are organized, accountable, and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another Microsoft Teams guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.